After Ninjaman basically burned out his gay son earlier this month, his gay son has responded. Take a listen and tell me what you think.
Let me tell you this. Me have nothing to do with nobody and them life. When you curse, you curse. It's not me curse you. You curse yourself. But if you're going to condemn yourself, I know me condemn you. I have no stone to throw upon no man. I ain't no business about no man. You understand me? We reach a stage of life where me just a little me, my God, my music, and the people that will surround me, will stand up with me in this music industry.
20% chance of living. So I am saying to Jamaica this morning, is this the way that you people want to live? Huh? I have to leave Jamaica because I am gay. Right? I had to run for my life out of my own country because I am gay. Can you imagine? A person's sexual life has nothing to do with a person's personality. Personality and sexual life, they're two different things.